Yo, what's up with guys? Your boy Prince. I'm back again with another video. Into this video, guys, I'll be teaching you basic market structure, support and resistance. I'd like to thank everyone who have subscribed to our channel. It shows that there's value in such content, guys. So I'll be dropping new videos very soon, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys. Guys, welcome to the video. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, guys, so we can grow and have proper resources, so I can give you proper knowledge, guys. As you can see right now, I'm using a paper and my pen, but the only thing that is important here is the information, guys. So guys, please take out your pen and paper and follow along, because this information is very important, guys, for your growth as a trader, to know your support and resistance, guys, because that's where we all started, knowing our support and resistance in the financial markets, guys, so you can execute and make profit, guys, each day. So guys, let's proceed. As you see, guys, that's our support over there and our resistance at the top, guys. So guys, this right there, this is our trend lines, guys. These are our trend lines. I like using trend lines, guys, because I'm a trend line trader and I make profits, guys, consistently. So yeah. So guys, let me show you our chart over here. Let me throw our chart very fast. Yeah, as you can see, guys, over there, that's our uptrend, and over here, let me do like this. Yo guys, I just drew my charts. So this is our support and resistance over there. As you can see, we have an uptrend, guys. In an uptrend, guys, we're only looking for the upper impulse. We're looking for buys, guys. We don't look for selling that much, because that's short term, guys. Yeah, sorry for that. That's short term. In an uptrend, all we're looking for is buys, guys, because buys are the impulse ones, guys. We're looking for impulsive moves on an uptrend, guys. As you can see here, this is our consolidation, guys. Consolidation. After a consolidation, guys, we have an impulse, guys. Please take notes, guys, because this is very important. After every consolidation, we have an impulse. This over here, it's an impulse. Impulsive move. That's when we execute, guys, and make profit. Because of this, we know after every consolidation, there's an impulse, guys. Your impulse have to align with your market structure. If your structure is buying, guys, always look for buys. If you are on a selling structure, look for sales, guys. So over here on that consolidation, guys, let's say it's our 5 minutes time frame. 5-minute time frame. On that 5-minute time frame, when you zoom in, you're gonna see the market consolidating like this, going up and down, guys. As you can see over here, you're gonna see that the market is been consolidating before it took our impulse to the upper side, guys. Beware, we don't just enter because we know there's gonna be an impulse. There's trading times, guys. We don't just enter, we enter when we know there's gonna be a massive move. Let's say we enter, this move happened over here. This move happened around 3 o'clock, guys. That's New York session. 15, let's say 15:30, guys. That's New York session. New York session. In South Africa, guys, GM2 plus. That's our time zone, guys. It happened on New York session. We know, guys, we don't just trade. This over here, let's say it happened during London session, guys. and down session. But this doesn't always happen online down session only, it happens also on Asian session, because Asian session there's no much movement there because everyone is sleeping and all that, guys. So guys, as you can see right here, that's New York session. That move happened on New York session. That's time we enter on New York session. It goes with us to the upper side, guys. So guys, let me show you my strategy on how I execute and make more profit, guys. I always use the lot size 0.0.1 so I can be safe, guys. That's my risk management, guys. Don't forget to use risk management if you want to grow, guys. So if I enter here after my consolidation, let's say I enter a buy over there, a buy, that's one buy, lot size 0.01 lots. As you can see over there, I entered my buy, then it goes up to the upper side with that consolidation. After this consolidation again, I enter my buy again, guys. That way I'm safe. I know I am safe, and I can maybe enter a 0.02 lot size because I know I am safe, because I entered and I am still in profit during that New York session, you know. So guys, this is how I trade, and basically my support and resistance, it shows me where I should enter and where I should exit, guys. As you can see here, that's our resistance over there. Resistance, that's where I will exit my positions, guys. Maybe I will have about 3 positions. Let's say here 0.4, yeah, positions, guys. So guys, this is basically support and resistance on how I enter and how I exit and how I capitalize on opening more positions, guys. So guys, please take these notes, write them down, because I'll be coming with more videos about this type of concept, guys, because this helped me to grow as a trader and not blow my accounts, guys. So guys, please take notes. I'll be back with another video. I hope you liked the session I had with you today. Thank you guys for watching. Peace.